Hey folks, Serge Berger here. Today, let's have a look at Nike, shares of Nike, the sports apparel retailer. I do think the stock continues to look very, very heavy, and path of least resistance, as far as I'm concerned here, is to the downside. So let's have a look at, give us a little bit of perspective first, looking at the multi-year long-term chart. Uh, and of course, you can see here, very traditional to what I always discuss is, stocks that go from an orderly ascent and basically turn that thing vertical, in this case, twice over. Ultimately, you get to see a mean reversion move. So to me, this mean reversion move here from a very strong rally that really, when the stock started going more or less vertical at 2013, I don't think this move is done yet to the downside. Let's have a look at what it tells us on the daily chart. Give you guys a little bit of perspective. So we've got a whole bunch of moving averages here. Let me get rid of some stuff here, kind of clean things up. Don't need the 50-day. We'll keep the 100-day for reference points, just so you know. So basically, what you saw is very much like the broader market. Nike rallied very strongly off those February lows, started pushing back above what we had as more or less confluence resistance here, horizontal resistance, and the 100-day moving average. That's this blue line. Now, for one, this is probably some momentum chase that pushed the stock higher, maybe some high frequency trading and algorithms or whatever. They started pushing this stuff higher and basically right into earnings. So what then happened is the company reported earnings on the 22nd of March. The very next day, the 23rd, they gapped the stock lower, close it down about 4% on the day. You can see that gap down here, right back below all this confluence resistance, more or less. Then we had confirmation selling on the 4th of April take place. So let me quickly mark this. So here you had a gap down after earnings, confirmation selling, and now the stock is right back below that 200-day moving average and looking very, very heavy in my opinion. So what we had here, in my eyes, is that it basically is a breakout fake out that really probably caught a bunch of longs here, broke that stock lower very quickly, confirmation selling, and now back to a better mean reversion move where I think that stock probably needs to revisit those February lows. So there's a couple of things you can do here. Obviously, the trade could be just to short some stock. I think implied volatility still remains low enough for it to make sense for us to get long options. So one could probably do a put spread on the long side. Just give yourself enough time because you never know what's going to happen in the next couple of weeks here with earnings coming out. Some competitors of Nike are going to report earnings as well. So I do think Nike here looks very heavy back into those mid 50s for a trade. Hope this makes sense, guys. Please like my video. Please give us a like on the YouTube channel there because that's how I move up in the YouTube ranks. Do me a great favor to do so. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, I will see you in the next video.